In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add image in Figma. So it is really easy. For that, firstly open File Manager in your computer and drag and drop the image which you want to insert on Figma, just like this. In case you don't want to use the drag and drop method, then for that you can just tap on this icon from the bottom, which is drop down arrow. Once we tap on it, then we'll see the option of image/video, or alternatively you can press Ctrl+Shift+K shortcut key to open this window, and then from here we can just select the image which you want to insert. Select the image, then tap on open, and now the image will be added on your cursor. We just need to click where you want to insert the image. So I want to insert it here, and that's it, our image has been inserted. You can change the size by dragging the corners according to you. And if you want to customize your image, then for that select your image, go to the right side, and from here you can change the alignment for your image. Also you can change the position from here as well. You can change the opacity from here, just like this. If you want to crop your image, then for that on the top side you will see this crop image option. Tap on it, and from here you can simply adjust the corners, and the highlighted portion will be remain on your image if you save it. So I want to crop it like this, and now if I click anywhere else, the image will be cropped. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.